Well, up next on Encounter, it's our Survey Says segment. Each month we take a look at a current survey that you might find interesting. We have for you this month another Pew Research fact tank analysis. In February of this year, Dolly the sheep celebrated her 20th anniversary of being cloned. In 1997, scientists at the Roslin Institute at the University of Edinburgh in Scotland implanted the cell nucleus from a sheep into an egg that was subsequently fertilized to create Dolly. The cloning set off a heated debate about both the practical value and ethics of cloning, including the possibility of human cloning. Currently, more than 40 countries, including the UK, France, Germany, and Japan, formally ban human cloning. In other countries, including the US and China, there is no legal prohibition on it. Well, with the recent anniversary of the cloning, Pew Research Fact Tank took a look at 5 noteworthy findings about cloning and public opinion. Number 1. No one has ever cloned a human being. Though scientists have cloned animals other than Dolly, including dogs, pigs, cows, horses, and cats, part of the reason is that cloning can introduce profound genetic errors, which can result in early and painful death. At the same time, labs in a variety of countries have successfully cloned human embryos for the purpose of producing stem cells that can be used in medical therapies. Number 2, according to a May 2016 Gallup poll, 81% of American adults say cloning a human being is not morally acceptable. There has been overwhelming opposition to human cloning since 2001. Just 13% of adults in 2016 say cloning is morally acceptable. Number 3, Americans are divided as to whether humans will be cloned in the near future. In a 2010 Pew Research Center survey, 48% of adults said that a human being would definitely or probably be cloned by 2050, compared with 49% who said such an event would not happen. Number 4, the public is divided about the prospect of using cloning to bring back to life species of animals that are currently extinct, such as the carrier pigeon or perhaps even the woolly mammoth. In a 2013 Pew Research Center poll, 50% of all adults surveyed said that by 2050, researchers will be able to use cloning to bring back extinct species, with 48% predicting such a development won't occur. And number 5, according to the same 2016 Gallup survey, fewer Americans are concerned with cloning animals than with the prospect of cloning humans. But still, a majority of adults, 60%, say cloning animals like Dolly is morally wrong, compared with 34% who say it's morally acceptable. Since 2001, there has been little to no change in these numbers. Almost sounds like some Jurassic Park science, and if you have ever seen the movies, let me tell you, it never ends up good. Well, thanks again to our friends at the Pew Research Center for providing us with those numbers.